Hey, if you're a web designer who is currently facing the main challenge that all web designers face, which is the feast or famine aspect of web design, having really good months and really bad months, and you're looking for some stable, reliable, consistent income for your business, the best thing you can do is to add recurring income for your business today. And the best way to build recurring income in web design now is through a hosting and maintenance plan. The great thing about hosting and maintenance is it'll open up the doors for so many opportunities in your business. It's also going to help you create clients for life. It really is the best way to put an end to the feast and famine of web design that, again, most all web designers struggle with. I know as a web designer and agency owner myself for over a decade, when I started my hosting and maintenance plan, it was an absolute game changer. But I only have one regret. I didn't start my maintenance plan until I was 6 years into my journey. But once I started it and I saw my numbers every month start to rise and go up and up and up, I realized the power of it. And I'm so excited to show you what I've learned in growing my plan as a solopreneur and an agency owner. And then now overseeing my agency and hundreds of students all over the world, I'm excited to let you know that I packed everything I've learned about running a hosting and maintenance plan, selling it and growing it in this maintenance plan course. This course is your complete guide and will show you everything that you need to know from what to include in your plan, pricing. We'll talk about the tools that I recommend and that you can use that are available to you. We'll go over best practices for updating, backup, security, reporting, and more. I'm going to show you how to sell your plan both to new and existing customers. I'll teach you how to effectively run and maintain your plan. We'll talk about retaining those clients and limiting churn. So much more that I packed into this course. I've also included all sorts of templates for you to save time and get your plan up and running stat, including contracts, sales, and email templates. I've included a sales page layout and template for you to be able to take and to make your own. Checklists are included. There's also something that I guarantee you don't have right now if you do have a plan, and that is a liability release clause, meaning when somebody passes on your plan, you send them this liability clause that they have to sign off on. That way they assume responsibility for the website if they neglect your plan. All this is included and more in my website maintenance plan course. The really great thing too is no matter where you are in your web design journey or with your plan, if you don't have a plan at all and you need to start it from the ground up, or if you already have a maintenance plan, this is your course. It's going to help you level that up. And the extra added benefit to this is whether you are a solopreneur or if you're running a small team, or if you're more of an agency status, or even if you just really love maintenance and you want to eventually white label your services to other designers, this course will literally empower you no matter where you are in your journey. So I'm so excited to help you build, start, sell, grow, launch, maintain, run, everything you can imagine with your maintenance plan to build, importantly, recurring income for you and your business. So join today. I would love to come alongside you, help you build and grow your website maintenance plan. And just remember, when you join any of my courses, you get lifetime access. You get access to our student center with other students in the course, along with myself for all of the live Q&As that I do. I will fully support you in helping you grow your maintenance plan. So join today. I'll see it inside, and let's get started on building recurring income for you and your business right now.